Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the post-lunch sessions. Being the second day today, we had fantastic sessions in the morning and yesterday. And our next presenter is Mr. Mayank Desai, and he's going to speak on how intelligent should an elevator be. Before I get in there, let me introduce Mr. Mayank Desai. Mr. Mayank is the Vice President, New Installation Sales at TK Elevators, which was formerly known as ThyssenKrupp Elevator. He has over 33 years of total work experience with 26 years in the elevator industry. He's an engineer in the production stream and completed his post-graduation in business administration. He has worked in different capacities with the brand over the period of more than 17 years and has undertaken various leadership positions from sales manager to branch manager, deputy general manager to assistant vice president before assuming the position of vice president. So welcome, Mr. Mayank, and now I hand over the presentation to you.
Anita, thank you for your nice words. And good afternoon to all friends. This is Mayank Desai, as Anita has said, working in TK Elevator, formerly known as ThyssenKrupp Elevator. I will not take much of your time, but definitely I would request your patience hearing to the presentations, which will definitely enrich your experience in the elevator field, as well as it will give you some insight. So with this short note, I will start my presentation, and I'll take you through how intelligent elevator can be. Just a minute. Yeah. So how intelligent elevator can be? Digital age era. We are living in industrial. We are living in industrial industry 4.0, where all digitalizations and automated systems are available and data is available, which can be used for betterment of the elevator. Applications and the prospects in India, with the modernization and industrialization happening at a lighter speed every day here in India, making us one of the most important elevator market in the world. The digital enablement and the performance improvement that TK Elevator offers are the game changing and the key to create a more value to commercial and the residential projects. How we are using this data for betterment of the end user by shortening the traveling time within the building, fewer downtimes with the data-driven maintenance, the better in-car experience offered by the various value-added offerings. Our turnkey solutions like Max, Agile will benefit long-term value for the properties and end users. And it offers very good returns on the investments. So how it works, Agile and all, I'll take you through some of these slides. So the IoT approach is basically Max is working on IoT, where all elevator and escalators are connected to the Max device, and Max, and also we use the Internet of the Services, where all data are available, and everything is available in a cloud, and our all technicians are connected with the cloud and the services. So that definitely help technician for the faster analysis of the data. I'll take you through the small Max detail introduction, which will help you to understand what Max and how it helps you. There are a lot of binary codes available in a controller, which Max collect every day and every minute when the elevator escalators are running, and keep on analyzing it. And whatever reports we need, which area is the gray area where the breakdown is going to happen, that all we will get to know from this binary data available, and that can be help us to do more analysis. All our elevators are connected with the cloud and the internet available in the building. The small snapshot is showing how different elevators are connected, elevator and escalator, and it is available on technicians tab also. To have more clarity, I will take you through the small video of the Max, which will give you more insight of the Max, how it works.
Take a look at the world we live in today. So much more exciting than ever before, offering limitless possibilities. Take a look at all the powerful tools in the hands of nearly everyone. Technology has become an essential part of our everyday lives, providing personal guidance and valuable information. Take a look at the cities of today, rapidly growing, redefining our urban landscapes, creating the best place to live ever. More than 1 billion people worldwide ride on elevators every day. Therefore, absolute reliability is crucial. Any technical device constantly produces information, signals about its condition. From now on, we can turn every elevator into a communicating device, using the signals they provide to calculate the remaining lifetime of key systems and components in real time, maximizing availability and safety. This huge amount of data from millions of connected sensors is constantly gathered and analyzed, and instantly providing information about required actions to service technicians, enabling predictive and even preemptive maintenance to keep cities moving, saving time for people, and empowering technicians to prevent breakdowns before they occur. It's much more than simple remote monitoring. It is taking the elevator industry into the digital era, making the elevator tell us what it needs, a tremendous increase of service quality for buildings and people.
That's what Max is all about. Maximum uptime all of the time.
Max, a true revolution in elevator service. Max, ThyssenKrupp Predictive Maintenance.
So our total 130,000 elevator escalators in worldwide can be connected with the Max. And how it helps, it reduce the 50% downtime. So improve the service quality, it reduce 30% of the breakdowns. It will clearly give the transparent information to the technician as well as the facility manager. In result, it will give a peace of mind for building users as well as the facility manager and the technicians, because he can predetermine predictive maintenance he can do, and he can get rid of a lot of breakdowns which is going to occur in the elevator. Here you can see the screenshot of the elevator technician tablet, where you will see the different elevators running at a different time and the speed. What is working, what is not working is available on his tablet. What buildings, elevators are impacted, that is also available. And he can also plan his day, how to fix that elevator. So it can be informed directly to the facility manager or the end user when elevator is going to fix. So this will help the facility manager and the building user to understand when his elevator is going to fix and what is the actual happening with the elevator. The old system here described on the top, which indicates if there is a say breakdown. So first it will come to know by end user. Then what end user will do? End user will either inform our call center or maybe facility manager. Then in turn, facility manager or call center inform technician, there is a call from so-and-so building. So technician visits the building, then he discuss with the end user or the facility manager what has happened to the elevator. Then he fixes the elevator and he informs back and he goes. So it is a little bit of the lengthy process. In a down, there is a short process which is possible with the Max. Is whenever the elevator is breakdown, immediately message go to technician's tablet, and at the same time this message goes to the facility manager or end user who is authorized, that which technicians is allocated to this breakdown and what he is doing. Immediately he will do the data analysis on his tablet or the computer, and he come to know whether it is attended virtually or he has to visit. If he has to visit, he visits the site and attend the breakdowns. As soon as he attend the breakdowns, facility manager come to know that breakdown is attended. So it is many few steps are avoided. So it is a faster response to the customer. In this diagram, you will see the before how elevator works and after how it works. So here, if you see point 8, which is a breakdown, which is the time for replacement of the door gips, which is already crossed the time. And then what happens? Elevator health score hit at the predictive time threshold. So then door identified as a predictive failure risk. It is going to fail. With the Max, it is predetermined that now only 0.42 is remaining for the replacement of the gips. technician comes with the gifts, replace, so this breakdown which is going to come is already completely avoided. Even building users will not know there is some work has happened. So that is how elevator can be intelligent by different data analysis and using the latest technology available for us to use like a smartphone. What if we could optimize the buildings? Here you might be thinking how you can optimize the building, but we provide such a services where building is really going to optimize and it is benefited to the customer. Same technology, binary code data are available for monitoring, controlling, and the scheduling. So what we will do, we with the Max only, we can remotely access the elevator and monitor the units. We can manage our units, control some of the functions from remotely. Like there is some fire takes place, then fire alarm can ring. So immediately we can control the elevator. We can control remotely before reaching to the site, and analyzes the unit on a real time. Every time there is a data is already fitted, so we can analyze which are the weak units, which are the strong units, where there is going to be a problem. So Max is helping in analyzing these units. This is the one of the screenshot of the technician who is having all these units in his route. So he can immediately find out of all his elevator, 2, which is the red mark, is the elevator which needs his attention, which is under breakdown. And immediately he rushed to that elevator, put it right back to the operation. So this is one of the direct feature available in a technician's tablet. He can directly monitor without any human interference. What if we could optimize travel? Now, how to optimize the travel is not by the increasing the speed or by something, but here definitely we use our agile techniques where we can optimize the travel. Agile is nothing but destination selection control. So it helps in grouping the people, sending to the same destination, and improves the traffic time. So it is a quick traffic enhancer that elevates the building performance. Not only Agile has an additional feature that we can do the Agile aesthetic based on the lobby of your finish. Now, if you want today green, you can have a green. If you want a blue, you can have a blue. Even button can be also changed. And one more feature Agile can adapt is security system. It can be connected with whatever the security system building is having. So Agile can be connected with that, and it can be have the safe ride and the safety for all the passengers who are using the Agile. The Agile is improving the efficiency of your elevator by destination selection control, and the right elevator arrive for the right people. How it works here, if you see, there are the people who are standing on a lobby, different lobby. There are the different color people, light blue, dark blue, and yellow. So without destination selection control, people call the elevator comes, they don't know, elevator doesn't know which floor they have to go. People enter into the elevator, place the button for their destination, and all mix of the people are coming. So it increase unnecessary elevator travel time. Where on the right side, if you see, suppose there is one office at 3rd floor, yellow color. So all people press the 3rd button, they will all accumulated and the designated elevator come to them. All people will go in same elevator and go to the 3rd floor. So that definitely save the time and the lift travel without much of the interval. So that is how efficiency of the lift can be increased and the travel time to the destination is reduced. So this functions is very much commonly used now for all the commercials and the infrastructure building, even for the residential also, some of the buildings, they have started using these functions. Here some of the shorts video on how it works. So the person who comes, he has to press his elevator, he can go in a elevator. The next person will come to say group of people have come, 2-3 people, they wanted to go on the same floor, they press the button, C elevator will come to them for service, they go to the C elevator and go to destination. Then another person come, he wanted to go to some different floor, he will allocate a different floor. Then another 2 person comes, they wanted to go to different floor, different elevator will allocated to that floor. So reaching destination in fewer stops. That is how this destination selection or agile works, and it improves the 30% more handling capacity. That is what we claim by using the agile system. As mentioned earlier, this agile comes with the facility where you can do the interior, where you can do the fixtures according to your lobby choice. So agile has a on a laptop you can connect agile this, and you can change the buttons, colors, everything shoot to your lobby. Suppose first 15 days you want to have a blue, you can have a blue color. Then next after 15 days you want to change it to say some other color, you can change it to other color. Button shapes also can be changed by connecting it to the laptop, and this is very easy available with the laptops. So agile can be changed by one click, interior to suit to the lobby. Next advantage using the agile is it can be easily connected with the security system. It's not necessary that system should provide that security system. This agile can be connected with third party or any third supplier security system, and it is very smoothly working. Here you can see the small line diagram where there is the third party security system is available. What we need is a space in between, and our elevator controller is connected with that interface. So passenger can swipe their card on the kiosk. Once he swipe the card, agile destination gets into activation, and it goes to it allocate him the elevator. So person will go to a elevator and travel further to his destination. So agile is the solution of the today to make elevator more intelligent and more user friendly to the passengers. It has the owner choice how to make it decorative to suit to his lobby, to suit to his mood. It will also help to the end user or the building developer not to have a monopoly on the security system. They can provide their own security systems, and agile can easily connect with that security systems and useful for the users to use that. Now, what if we adapt to the new norms? You all know we are last 1 year we have gone through the pandemic called the COVID-19, and everyone is very scared to use the elevator by touching, or they are very scared because in elevator, 8-passenger elevator, if 8 people go, then there is hardly any gap. So social distancing and everything would be at a challenge. So we have put our intelligence behind that and develop few of the things which is as follows. Like what we mark elevator with the 4 people. If you can see on the bottom, there is a four footsteps where people can stand and elevator can travel. Now you might be wondering how it will help people, who will control the people. Then we have the system called the light curtain available in the elevator. It counts the moment. So one person enters, it counts. Second person enter, it counts. So once 4 counts are over, then it automatically not allow other to enter. Second system we have is a designated floor. So there are four car call pressed, so elevator will not move. See, so both these counters are available. If suppose 4 person enters and 2 have to go on the same floor, still it will not allow 5th person. And if 4 enters and all have to go different floor, then 4 call is happen. Once 4 car call is blocked, the elevator does not take any landing call and it travels to its destination only on a car call. So the passenger when exit, then it will take the next call. So this is one of the solution which we have come out to maintain the social distance during this pandemic year. The next solution is touching the elevator. People are very scared to touch the button. I have seen many societies, they have kept toothpicks, they have kept some wires to not to touch and then give a call with the toothpicks. That is also a good solution, easily available, but a little rude. We have come out with the solution which gives you the QR code on the landing. So once you scan your QR code, elevator will come to your floor wherever you are standing. So once you get inside the elevator, there is a QR code available at the landing, at the car operating panel bottom. So once you press that, once you does that QR code, you can give a call to your destinations, and elevator take you to your desired destinations. So these are the two things in pandemic. We really think that it is useful to the end user, social distancing and non-touch. That is two things. And third left is the mask. So mask everyone has to wear, whichever they are, wherever they are traveling. So with this, I am ending my presentations on how intelligent elevator can be, and TK Elevator always move you beyond what is available in a market. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and hope you all would have liked my presentations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Desai. Thank you. And if you all have any questions for him, please send us an email and we will share that with him and get him answered.